Hi folks, this is All the Fruit. Today I'm in the exotic forests of Weinheim in Germany. This is not just any exotic forest, it's the oldest and biggest one in Germany. Well, what is an exotic forest? In the 19th century, to be precise, in 1872, a local lord had the idea that he wanted a lot of exotic trees. But he didn't want just a park or an arboretum like other people, no. He wanted to have a lot of forests of those exotic trees. So he started buying gardens and vineyards from local farmers. All this here wasn't a forest throughout most of the 19th century, but vineyards and orchards. And he started planting trees, but not single trees like in an arboretum. He started planting whole patches of trees, whole little forests of trees. Well, in 1955, the state government of Baden-Württemberg bought the forest and continued planting exotic stuff. What is this good for? Well, basically they are testing exotic forest trees for timber and other purposes, but mostly for timber and also for general interest. Well, as you can see here at the start, I don't remember, was there a storm that killed all those old trees, or did they cut them down because of security reasons? There used to be old trees here, but they cut them down and planted new ones. And as you can see, they don't plant single ones, but they plant them in big groups. Here is a walnut relative from the Caucasus Mountains, Pterocarya fraxinifolia. It actually has tiny winged walnuts, which are not edible. Here we seem to have maples and other stuff. Here black walnut, I don't know what happened to this black walnut patch. Black walnut grows here, it escapes and grows as a feral tree everywhere. But where they tried to grow it, most of the trees died for some strange reason. Well, I don't want to walk through the whole exotic forest today. You need many hours to do it. There are very interesting parts of it, like a sequoia forest or a monkey puzzle tree forest. But it's very big and it's already late, so it's no good to start walking around here now. Just wanted to show you that there is such a thing in the town of Weinheim. So if you are in Heidelberg or Mannheim or Frankfurt or some of the nearby cities, yeah, coming to Weinheim is definitely worth it if you are a plant enthusiast, and visiting the exotic forest and walking through it for at least 2 or 3 hours to appreciate all the exotic trees is really worth it. I don't know why they don't have labels here. Usually they have like a big sign with explanation next to each group of trees, but right here in the beginning they are missing. Very strange. Well folks, believe me, the exotic forest is really interesting. Maybe some of the next years I will do a video walking inside the exotic forest. This was just the entrance area. Well, basically there is no entrance, it's part of the forest, it's just exotic and with labels. You can walk in there, there is no wall, there is no fence, there is no entrance. Yeah, if you are in Weinheim, come to the exotic forest. Look at all those nice trees. Some of them are even fruit and nut trees. Apart from that, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful town of Weinheim. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.